Hey, so you want to sell your services online using card? It's super simple. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to build a landing page that highlights your services, attracts clients, and makes it easy for them to book or pay. Go to card.co and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Free accounts work for basic pages, but Pro is better for services because it lets you add custom domains, forms, and payment buttons. Click New Site on your dashboard. Pick a template designed for services or landing pages, or start with a blank canvas if you want full control. Start with a strong hero section. Add a headline that clearly says what service you offer, a short description, and a call to action button like Book Now or Hire Me. Add a section listing your services. Include short descriptions, pricing if possible, and benefits for the client. You can also add images or icons to make it visually appealing. Include a testimonial section or client feedback. This builds trust and encourages visitors to hire you. You can use text quotes, star ratings, or logos of previous clients. Add a form so potential clients can reach out or book a service. Connect it to your email or scheduling software to make it seamless. If you want clients to pay directly, add PayPal, Stripe, or Gumroad buttons. This is easy with Card Pro and helps you get paid instantly. Adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and backgrounds to match your brand. Make sure your landing page is clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Click Preview to check desktop and mobile views. Test your CTA buttons, forms, and payment links to make sure everything works perfectly. Click Publish when ready. Free users get a card.co subdomain. Pro users can connect a custom domain. Share your landing page on social media, email campaigns, or your portfolio to start attracting clients. So yeah, that's how to sell services using a card landing page. Add a hero section, showcase your services, include testimonials, add forms and payment options, customize your design, and publish. Your professional service landing page can be live in minutes.